what up everybody? Welcome friends and family, welcome to my garage. Today's video is a special video. It is not clickbait by any means, it's not an exaggeration. It is 100% the greatest mod that any man could ever do to his vehicle. Now I do gotta confess, I am beat up, I'm bullied, I've got too much sun, I'm sunburned, I went hiking, I went golfing. Also the workout this morning at the gym was a beast. I lived, but barely. As a note, be sure to wear your sunscreen. Now today's mod is so monumental, we need some shoes, and yes, these pull tabs, fairly worthless. Come on. I've had this box for a while, I don't know what they are. Air Jordan 1 lows, what spec? Oh yes. I think these are appropriate for today, 100%. They smell like they've been in a box for a while, but they smell good. Man, these are pretty. Yes. Now I should mention, we're not only unboxing the mod, we're installing it today in this video, guaranteed, I promise. But first, we actually have two monumental things that just happened recently. Great news, exciting news, financially mega news. It's called neglect, people. Give me a second. All right, we're gonna go a little jump start here. Yes, positive. Let's try this again. I gotta stay young and fit. Oh, 100%. Oh, absolutely love big boy cars. So comfortable. I forgot. Alright, we're legal, and I know you guys know that the level of expectation on my channel would be like, that would be the mod. That's not the mod. Also, wheels on the Hellcat. That's not the mod. This has nothing to do with the Hellcat, kind of. Alright, back into the big boy car. And yes, if it seems like I'm just hot and sweaty and a big old mess, I am. It's summertime. It's hot, and I'm a mess. Now the two big things that I said just happened, I sold 2 vehicles. Now you know I was selling some vehicles, but I officially sold. They're sold. That means I got cash money. We're going to pick up a check. That's right. I got paid. And I absolutely needed / wanted that money for a lot of reasons. So it's really fortunate timing that the BMW X5 and the Raptor sold on the same day. We got some cash, baby. I absolutely needed / wanted that money for a lot of reasons, some of which you'll see soon, but also the landscaping I've done recently ain't cheap. Also the 69 Mach 1. Oh, it's looking so nice. Now we popped over to my parents' house because my dad sold the X5 for me, and the Raptor was sold by Eurosport Automotive. So those 2 vehicles now are officially gone. So we're gonna grab a check from Pops, go put it in the bank, take some back out because I want to pay him a consignment fee. All right, check in hand. Let's go get some cash, baby. I think I already said it once, but again, the mod today is not the wheels for the Hellcat. I wish it were though. Oh. Yeah, see, it started right up. Just needed a little jump to get her going today. Let's go, baby. Hellcat all day. Oh, yes. One more for the fam. Oh, so good. So, even briefly, it's so good. So I'm hustling to the bank, and then it hits. I'm an idiot. I mean, I should have known that, but I'm an idiot. It's well past 5. The bank's closed. So we'll deposit that check in the morning, give my parents a nice consignment fee. They didn't charge me one, but I feel like it's appropriate. It was super helpful and nice, the fact that he sold it for me. And it sounds like the new owners are a great couple, so I'm excited it's gone to a lovely home. I did genuinely enjoy the 2013 BMW X5. It's a great vehicle. I loved it. Yes, I know. Ignore the offset. The wheels are literally being made right now. We are 4 to 6 weeks out, I think, hopefully closer to 4, hopefully less, but they're literally being made in a factory right now, and then we're gonna roll that. But I gotta say, that's cool. That is why the Hellcat is officially my midlife crisis vehicle. Now, if you want to talk about a real midlife crisis, maybe it's time we do the mod that I mentioned. Again, it's legit. 1 second. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get that mod installed now. This is it, baby. This is a big box. So we're not gonna waste any time. We got a pull tab over here. You can't see it because it's blurred. It's secret. I've never done this ever in my life. This is a first. Maybe one of the cleanest unboxings we have ever done. For every journey makes life a dream or something. All right, I only got one shot at this, so I don't know how. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a certain way you hold these, I guess. And Here we go. Oh, what do we got? I think we have a problem. I didn't order this. That's right. It's a baby carrier. Baby Burlacher, it's real. It's happening. Coming soon, July or August 2023. We got a car seat, a baby seat. They go in the car for the baby. It's a baby chair, stool. I don't know what it is. I'm in charge of installing this baby, so I figure, let's see if it fits in the Hellcat. Obviously, this can't go in the Z06 because two-seater, from what I understand, you're not supposed to put babies in the front seat. So we need a vehicle with a rear seat that leaves the Shelby, GT350, and the Hellcat. Yeah, great options. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, first test passed, I think. I've seen enough movies. I think the baby's supposed to face backwards somehow. All right, we did it. Oh wait, I think you're supposed to buckle these in, is what I'm told. How does that work? Oh, we got a problem. What is this? What is that? I thought the seat belt was supposed to latch into this, and I don't. Instructions? There's all these buttons. Got this. Wrong seatbelt. So I got it figured out. So it goes in like this. Seatbelt's right here. I'm an idiot. Goes over the baby and buckles in. Obviously the baby doesn't need the shoulder strap, but you got this strap. Okay, we did it. I don't know how you're supposed to do that with a baby inside, but that's what they tell me. Now obviously we ain't gonna put baby Burlacher in there without testing it, so we got my little frog I've had for probably 30-something years. I got that from my grandma. Perfect baby size, yeah, because baby Burlacher gonna be big. Here we go. In you go, little guy. All right, yep. Oh, perfect fit. All right, let's get you buckled up. Come on, here we go. Oh, come on, come on. Work with me, buddy, work with me. Come on, all right, I got this, I got this. Here we go. Man, imagine if baby Burlacher were crying right now too. Gentle. I gotta be careful with those babies. All right, something about secure there. What's up, little guy? You good? We're good. All right, so I realized the problem off camera. The baby seat can't fit behind me, so I turned off the camera, got the baby situated behind the passenger seat. So we're good. Let's go do some spinnies, test it out. And yes, I'm sweating quite profusely. That's why we got the golf towel. Golf towel always saves the day. All right, baby Burlacher, you ready? All right, little baby. Yes, yes, yes. We're okay. A little baby pull, and the baby's good. All right. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, baby Burlacher gonna be nice and secure, sleep well, and a nice old V8 supercharged. All right, big boy, you ready? Let's hit it. Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa. I only did half of a donut. We already got an incident. That's not funny. That's not funny. We have an incident. It's not funny. Now, the good thing is the baby stroller carrier, the baby carrier stayed. That means it's secured. The baby did not, however. So I think we've got it work. Yep. I think we're ready to go now. Let's hit it. Oh, yes. Yeah, big boy. Okay. Okay. We're good. I mean, safety's important. Babies are important. It seems a little loose, but it stayed in place. The baby's still here, so, you know, I think we can tighten up a few things. We're sitting pretty good as far as security and safety is concerned. Now, what did we learn here, folks? Safety is essential for adults and babies as well. Disclaimer, this is not how to install a baby carrier thing or a baby into the baby carrier, but I think we're successful so far. We're off to a rockin' start. Probably gonna go home, read some more baby books, maybe do some more donuts to practice July, August 2023. It's getting real. Let's get out of here before the cops show up, because I don't think my story of doing donuts with the baby inside is gonna hold very well. Meaning, I don't think an officer is gonna like the idea of me doing donuts with a baby in the back. So maybe the only donuts baby Burlacher and I are doing for a while are actually eating donuts. However, that being said, probably not supposed to give a 5-day-old donuts. When can babies eat donuts? Because they're not good for you. They're so good. This is gonna be complicated. Man, the Hellcat baby, Hellcat baby. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. What are we doing? 54. So we're good. We're good, 54. Oh, yeah. You know, as I'm driving around in my unfinished Hellcat with little doll version of Baby B in the car seat, I can't help but think that the Hellcat is the perfect baby vehicle. It's a beautiful V8 hum. You get a little supercharger whine that can like offset any crying the little guy might think about doing. He ain't gonna cry over a supercharger. The supercharger whine's gonna take over the little baby whine. I think the supercharger whine can be more powerful than a little baby's whine. Although I've heard little baby's whines can be, again, I don't know, donuts? When can they eat donuts? When can I eat donuts with my little guy? That's the question. Well, there you have it, folks. Baby Burlacher officially arriving sometime in July, maybe early August. And needless to say, I'm stoked. This is massive. This is a big deal. Very exciting. But at the same time, I'm terrified. I'm nervous. I'm concerned. I'm a little stressed. Babies and I, we don't have, I mean, I've held 4 babies my entire life. I've dropped 3 of them. So this is going to be a thing. But the car seat, clearly, we're secured. We're ready to go. Disclaimer, drive safely with babies in your vehicle. That doesn't need to be said, but it needs to be said. Anyways, that's the news. I appreciate y'all. Wish you the best of luck. Make sure you go crush it. Peace.